it's kind of like that green with white buttons, but headliner had the wig-wag. Somebody broke the wig-wag off. Okay. Hey guys, Mike here. A little bit of a different video. We're camping this weekend. I'm driving by on the highway and I saw this. Check it out. It's an old white cab over compact thing. I just had to come take a look. Like, look at it. It's different. So, white compact. So I'm guessing this would be like for a garbage truck or an early pickup and delivery, because just a 5-ton with a little frame, but it's cool. Wonder what vintage it would be. Looks like it had a something mounted with a wood block support. It's got a, looks like a brake. Yeah, it's like a driveline brake. That's a little transmission too. How cool is that? Would it be wrong to look inside? It probably would be, but oh yeah, some mouses are in there. That's cool. How cool is that? This thing's actually in really good shape. Really good shape. And I mean, I don't know what your definition of really good shape is, but it's pretty original. It looks like it's aluminum. That's cool. Very cool. And then over here, there's an old A model, and the door's open. Now, I want to be respectful of people's privacy, but we're right beside the highway, and their door's open. So the polite thing to do is to come close their door and take a look at their old KW. It obviously had a gravel box on it. Has a little bit of rust jacking. Just a little bit. And when I say a little bit, I mean a lot. But rubber block suspension was probably a, oh yeah, look at that. Is that a weld? Oh yeah. Yeah, see, that's what happens. The rust jacking actually cracked the frame. It actually cracked the frame. So I'm gonna say it needs a new rear clip. I know. You thought so too, didn't you? But the nice thing is, I mean, is that a 1/4-inch frame? Maybe it's 3/8. But yeah, and see, this is the problem with rubber block cabs. It's you get corrosion here and then they break. So, oh boy, this truck has seen better days. She has seen better days. Let's just take a look-see. Oh, that's cool. Looks to be original. It's a little dirty inside. We'll just stand up and take a look. It's got the old tachograph. Yeah. That's cool. Little seat. That's my technical term. It's got a little seat. It's got, it's kind of like that green with white buttons, but headliner had the wig-wag. Somebody broke the wig-wag off. Dang wig-wag breakers. But yeah, I think she's past her prime. You know that? Because it got potential. For somebody, but not for me. I've got my projects. I have enough projects. But it's cool. Oh, it had a fire. Look at that. It's all boogered. And no, I'm not taking on any more projects. I mean, one day I think it would be cool to have an A model Kenworth, but Mike doesn't need another fire project at all. But I'm sure there's some good parts on it. I don't know which parts, but I'm sure there's some. So yeah, back in the good old days. It's kind of interesting too how the old Kenworths had this like filler panel. It's like the original cab skirt and these old school steps. I don't know if those are original though. Must be. I think it's gotta be. I remember these ones, I think. Under frame exhaust, wooden floor. Yeah, steel cab. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. But she's a little worse for wear, to say the least. But you know what? I'm drawn to these old trucks, the poor things. Yeah, I know. Sad to see it, but it's like the circle of life. You know that? It really is. The circle of life. But, oh, yep, she was a dumper. She's a brokener. Don't know that there's really, well, you know, if a guy needed parts like, oh, look at that. Torque rod's even bent. The diffs don't look that bad, really. I know. Well, I'm trying to look at the positives. Yeah, it's not all corroded. It's not a big diff, though. I don't know what size diff it would be. Would it be like an SHD? I don't know. I really don't know. But it's cool. And today's video is sponsored by shoppeterbiltmike.com or MikeTheTruckNut.com, because, you know, Peterbilt Mike the Truck Nut, he needs some .coms. So don't forget to go pick up your roll coal key tag, or we have one of my favorites, Peterbilt, there's only one king, baby, and my true favorite, Don't Kill Kenny, K100E. So everything at shoppeterbiltmike.com is 50% off, and you can find it at shoppeterbiltmike.com, or you can also find it on mikethetrucknut.com, and everything is 50% off until Andrea gets tired of shipping stuff out. So it'll probably be a long time because she loves it. So I know she does. So thanks for your support, guys. Now back to the video. Well, I figure before I, you know, drive away, there's another A model. I know. Like a moth to the flame, burned by the fire. The old Kenworth A model has my desire. This one's got, somebody converted the marker lights. It's different. Or it's a, oh, it's like someone's using it. So well, I'm assuming it's being used. It's got a it's got a textured, I don't know what that's all about. Maybe it's age, cracks. It's been painted is what I'm saying. But yeah, it's an A model cab, but has 2000 model year doors. Ghost Lake Enterprises. I don't know. I hope he doesn't mind me looking at his truck, because I mean it's kind of cool. But it's an A model with square marker lights. That's a 2000 or a 99 door. How do I know? Because these door latches were only around for a few years. I know, because my 2000 Kenworth had it. Yeah, if you didn't know it, Peterbilt Mike had a Kenworth. Brand new even. Back in the day, T800. But yeah, probably an X-Logger converted. Oh, the cab's in good shape on this one though. Look at that, it's not corroded or dented. That's good. I mean, a little bit of corrosion around there, but that's not bad. That's not bad. Gravel boxes can be a little hard on frames though. And when I say a little hard, I mean real hard. But rubber block suspension, aluminum wheels, double nut. This was the staple truck for a lot of years here. So, you know, rubber block suspension trucks for hauling logs. So good suspension, good little workhorses, and it worked. But you know, and that's when truckers were tough, because you got a rubber block suspension truck with no air ride cab. So you know what, you didn't drive fast, because if you did, your kidneys would probably fall out of your back. Yeah, but because you know, rubber, I don't know if you know this, but it's not very springy, not like all the air ride nowadays. So but I can see that's cracked, probably from holding the exhaust and cab and all that stuff. You know, it's actually in pretty not terrible shape. Pretty not terrible. Inspection was good to June of 21, so that means it's been sitting for 2 years, unless he uses it off highway, you know, because you could use it off road. But it's pretty cool. Pretty cool old A model. But little fiberglass damage here. You gotta figure, I think they stopped making A models in 82, so it's old is what I'm saying. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe down below. We'll see you in the next one. And I'm driving by and you got a cool little truck in your yard, I might have to stop in for a visit. I was gonna, you know, but nobody's here. So, and if you know, you know where it is. And I kind of love these old trucks. I know it's a curse, but what do you do? Could be worse. I could be into sports. Is that expensive? Probably not. I'd probably be thinner if I was into sports. Anyways, guys, take care. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Yeah, there'll be a next one. And I'd like to introduce you to Sully. Sully is our dog. He's our Newfoundland. Hey, Sol. Say hi to the people. He's like, oh, say hi. And we just fed him some pumpkin because he had an upset tummy. And you know, the only thing worse than having an upset tummy is when your 120-pound dog has an upset tummy. I'm telling you. But he's a good boy. Sully is an 8-year-old Newfoundland dog. And yeah, that's Sully. That's why our RV has the dog on it, because Sully. Yeah, now you know. He was supposed to be a show dog, but it just wasn't quite there. But he's a good boy, right, Sully? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. So, quick tip: if your dog has an upset tummy, give him some pumpkin. Not pumpkin pie, but actual pumpkin, puree pumpkin. So actual pumpkin. It helps solidify him up, and you can also give him Pepto-Bismol. Who knew? But you know what? Happy dog, happy life. Actually, no. Happy dog, happy wife, happy life. Now back to our unscheduled, regular scheduled of programming. Something like that. Why don't you just lay down? Or walk over there. Well, you tipped your water bowl. Do you need more water, Sully? Do you need water? Yeah, you probably need water.